Thinking of starting a dropshipping business and you're wondering if Spocket is the right tool for you? Maybe you've heard some good things, maybe some bad, and now you're asking the most important question of all, is Spocket trustworthy? That's the question we're going to answer today. We'll dive deep into what Spocket is, what it promises, and if it truly delivers. Because in the world of dropshipping, trust is everything. Trust in your suppliers, trust in your platform, and most importantly, trust from your customers. So let's get into it. First, what exactly is Spocket? It's a dropshipping app that connects you to suppliers, primarily in the US and Europe. This is a huge selling point and a major differentiator from platforms like AliExpress, which are heavily based in China. The benefit here is clear: faster shipping times. While a product from China might take weeks, a Spocket supplier in the US can get an item to a customer in as little as 2 to 5 days. That's a massive win for customer satisfaction and building a reputable brand. But faster shipping isn't enough to build trust. What about the quality of the products? Spocket makes a big deal about its vetted suppliers. They claim to carefully screen their suppliers to ensure high-quality products. And for the most part, reviews from users seem to back this up. Many dropshippers praise the quality of the items they receive and appreciate the option to order samples before committing to a product. This is a crucial feature that helps you avoid the dreaded surprise of a low-quality item arriving at your customer's door. Another key feature that boosts Spocket's trustworthiness is branded invoicing. This allows you to add your own logo and custom notes to the invoice that ships with the product. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in making your business look professional and legitimate, rather than just another generic dropshipping store. Of course, no platform is perfect. So, what are the potential downsides? One of the biggest complaints you'll see about Spocket is the cost. It operates on a subscription model, with plans ranging from around $40 to $300 a month. While they do offer a 14-day free trial, you'll need to pay a monthly fee to really get started. This can be a bit steep for beginners on a tight budget. For many, the cost is a trade-off for the faster shipping, higher quality products, and vetted suppliers, but it's a significant factor to consider. The product selection, while curated and high quality, can also be a bit smaller than on a massive marketplace like AliExpress. And because Spocket is so popular, there can be a lot of competition for the same products. This can lead to a lower profit margin if you're not careful with your pricing strategy. You also can't customize product packaging, which is a downside if you're looking to build a truly unique brand experience. So, let's get back to the main question: is Spocket trustworthy? From a business perspective, yes. It's a legitimate platform with a proven track record. It offers real value by connecting you with reliable suppliers, providing fast shipping, and offering features that help you build a professional brand. While it's not a magic bullet and requires a financial investment, it's a solid choice for anyone serious about building a high-quality dropshipping store, especially if you're targeting customers in the US and EU. The vetting process for suppliers and the emphasis on quality and speed set it apart from many of its competitors. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.